Hello guys, welcome back to Upto Brain. In this video, we are going to talk about RAM. So let's start this video with the first question. What is RAM? RAM DeFi is a decentralized protocol that intends to boost DeFi adoption by allowing non-Ethereum users to stake tokens on each platform. At the same time, Ethereum users can interact with the RAM protocol and increase their yield. RAM DeFi allows the stake capital of non-ERC20 staking blockchains to be collateralized into a stablecoin known as RUSD that is issued on the Ethereum blockchain. The main result of this maximization of capital efficiency on stacked digital assets, where users can earn staking rewards, unlock liquidity from staked assets, and stack multiple yield streams at the same time. Users who are already on the Ethereum blockchain can mint EUSD by depositing their ERC20 stablecoins into the RAM EUSD liquidity pool. This means that RUSD and EUSD holders can exchange, lend, borrow both tokens freely, and in turn create liquidity for the users with capital locked into the staking arrangements. RAM creation was prompted by the rapid growth of staking economy, which has exceeded 300 billion by 2021, combined with the inefficiency of said economy market. So guys, let's move on to the next question. Who are the founders of RAM? RAM was co-founded by Lawrence Lim and Lo Zhengrong. Before RAM, Lim was the head of international growth at IOST and handled global sales at TradeGecko. He was also responsible for mergers and acquisitions at KPMG Corporate Finance Limited and asset management at the JP Morgan Chase and Company. Lim studied at the Nanyang Technology University and got a Bachelor of Business degree in Banking and Finance with first-class honors. Lo Zhengrong co-founded Nox Pte. Limited and was a blockchain consulting partner at Markel Ventures. He was also a Chief Innovation Officer at 2359 Media, as well as the Senior Advisor of Iconic Partners. He was also the Chief Operating Officer and co-founder at Token App Pte. Limited. He has a Bachelor of Business Administration degree in Finance Wealth Management from Singapore University. Let's move on to the next question. What makes RAM unique? To efficiency power token exchange between blockchain system, the network take advantage of liquidity on-off ramp designs. Within this framework, the tokens that use a non-Ethereum standard are first converted into stablecoins called RUSD for use on the Ethereum blockchain. So guys, let's now move on to the price prediction of RAM. You guys can see the price prediction on your screen. Here comes the year 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2026. So guys, let's move on to the conclusion. As it is always advisable for you to invest only after you consult a finance guide who may help with all of his knowledge and your financial budget. Investing in RAM may also be risky as its prices are currently going downwards. As per the outlook, there are high chances of RAM market going down in the future, and it is also advised you to only invest the amount which you can bear the loss. Otherwise, you will be at higher loss and there would be a fewer chances of you to come out of that. RAM future price prediction completely depends on how the project is going right now. Upto Brain will not be responsible for any losses. So guys, that was our take on the RAM. What are your thoughts about this? Do let us know in the comment section, and for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel Upto Brain.